Our love is unconditional. It's honest and patient and daring. I'm standing here saying yes to the laughs, to the tears, to the travels, and all that sass. I love you so much, more than I ever knew possible. I see you for you, and I choose all of you. This adventure is only the beginning, and I can't wait to see where else it might take us.
Marriage is a commitment in life where two people can find and bring out the very best in each other. It offers opportunities for sharing and growth that no other human relationship can equal. A physical and emotional joining that has the promise of a lifetime.
Wow. Wow. You look beautiful.
So do you.
Thank you.
Nice pocket square.
Thank you.
May your life together be blessed with prosperity and good health. May you always share open and honest communication between each other. May you cherish the home and family you will create together. And may all years to come be filled with moments to celebrate and renew your love. May your love be a lifelong source of excitement, contentment, affection, respect, and devotion for one another.
Robyn, you are my best friend and the love of my life. Truly, my soulmate. I cannot begin to explain the impact you have made on my life so far. I vow to never let the adventure fade, to continue to be spontaneous and bold, to always respect you, to stand next to you with no reservations. I never could have dreamt of meeting someone as perfect as you are.
Not a single other human knows me as deeply as you do, knows my soul the way that you do, and knows which slice of pizza I'm going to choose. I vow to love you like the first day that we fell in love, and then some, to make you feel safe and happy. And most importantly, I vow no matter what happens in this life of ours, we conquer it together.
I give you this ring, wear it with love and joy. As this ring has no end, my love is also forever.
I give you this ring, wear it with love and joy. As this ring has no end, my love is also forever.
By the power vested in me in the province of British Columbia, it is my honor and delight to declare you legally wed. And you may now share your first kiss as spouses.